We've all been there. You're craving a burger. You pull into the drive-thru, excited for a tasty treat. But then, it happens. The voice on the speaker is grumpy. They get your order wrong. You drive away feeling frustrated, not full. One time I went to get a simple coffee. I ordered a latte with almond milk. The barista gave me regular milk. When I pointed out the mistake, she rolled her eyes. I couldn't believe it. We've all had those days. Working in fast food can be tough. The hours are long, the pace is fast. Customers can be demanding. It's no surprise that sometimes workers get stressed. They might be dealing with a difficult manager, a broken ice cream machine, or just a plain old bad day. Remember, everyone makes mistakes. It's important to have some compassion for the people serving you. They're doing their best in a challenging environment. A little understanding can go a long way. So how do you handle a rude drive-thru worker? First, take a deep breath. Getting angry won't help the situation. Try to stay calm and polite. Remember, you're talking to another human being. If your order is wrong, politely point it out. Most workers will be happy to fix it. If the worker is being truly disrespectful, you can ask to speak to a manager. But always remember to be respectful. We can all do our part to make drive-thru interactions better. When you place your order, speak clearly and slowly. Double-check your order before driving away. And most importantly, be kind. A simple smile or thank you can brighten someone's day. Let's treat each other with kindness, even through the drive-thru speaker. Remember, a little kindness goes a long way.